the thing that allowed me to grow really fast, when I made my first $10,000 a month, I did not celebrate. I did not go buy a new car. I did not do shit. 4 months later, I was making 30 grand a month. When I made 30 grand a month, I did not celebrate. I did not go buy a new car. I did not celebrate. I did not go out. I was not going out on a Thursday like I am right now. I stayed in the trenches. I moved out. I started living alone, working at home. No noise, no dishes to be cleaned. I didn't have family telling me what I need to do. I didn't have to. I just could work 24/7. And 12 months later, my head down for an entire year, I went from 80K per month to 180K a month in a single month. And from that point, 4 months later, I shut down my 30K a month appointment setting agency, Done For You, and then launched something that was more productized. So I would build and release systems instead of doing the Done For You agency work. And first month I launched that offer. First month or two, I did 70K in revenue and 40K in cash collected. In May of 2022, went from 80K a month in cash collected to 180K a month. And then September of 2022, I was doing 100K in cash, 150K, 120K a month in cash collected. And the following month of October, I did $334,000 in a single month, right? And the following month, I think I did like 345K. And then the following month, I think I did $580,000 in cash collected. Literally, from the moment I made my first 5-figure a month, I did not have a single moment of celebration. I did not have a single month where I took off. Even when I was shutting down my appointment setting agency, it was not shutting it down and doing nothing. It was lock yourself in a basement and build the infrastructure for the next play. Build the infrastructure for the next level that I want to get to. And that infrastructure was, I needed a productized service. So I needed to document how we would fulfill. I needed to build systems. I needed to build a pool of talent VAs. I built a pool of VAs of 6,000 VAs in our pool that were going through our training. Every single month we would place 90 employees in businesses. It was unfucking real. The way that I had built the system, I had a team, of course. I wasn't doing this all alone. And the machine was just ripping. But most people make their first 10K per month and they go buy a Rolex. They make their first 30K per month and they buy a GT3, right? It's crazy to me. And they wonder why they don't grow. Well, it's because you're shooting your system of you're now building a behavior or a habit of, I worked, so I deserve a little gift. Oh, I worked, so I deserve to reward myself. Oh, I worked so hard. I make all this money. Oh, I should go reward myself. And then what you don't realize is that the rewards are taking away, are confusing or deluding you into thinking that you do work so you can reward yourself.